Alright, so this is how to fix the issue of your Xbox app not installing games or downloading games or not running installed games, even though you have the subscription, the Game Pass subscription. So for me, it would redirect me to the Game Pass subscription page or the gaming services page whenever I would try to either download a game or run an installed game already. So I was actually pretty tilted. Before you uninstall your Xbox app, there are a few suggestions I've seen on YouTube tutorials. It didn't work for me, but it doesn't hurt to try if you haven't tried it yet. So what you want to do is go to your search button right here, search icon, and then you want to type in add or remove programs. So mine's already here, but yeah, just type it in if it's not already showing up. And then in the search list, you want to search up Xbox. Click on Xbox, advanced options, and you want to terminate, repair, and then reset, and then restart your computer after. If that doesn't work, you can uninstall Xbox, honestly. So you can uninstall it the same way, really. Just go search it up again, under apps and features, and then you want to uninstall. And then you can also try the same thing with let's do this store. So search up store. Microsoft Store should pop up. Go to advanced options and then try the three buttons, and then restart your computer. If that doesn't work still, and the Microsoft Store won't install your Xbox app again, like for me, it wouldn't or download it. I don't know why. It was stuck loading on pending, whatever. I don't know what's wrong, but it's fine. It's fine. I'll link this post in the description below. You could try all these suggestions, but what worked for me is this part. So what you want to do is you want to copy paste this. This will be in the description below too. Do not copy the quotes though. So right click copy or control C to copy, and then you want to go to your start button right here. Right click Windows PowerShell admin. Just click yes when it asks you. If you want to let the program make changes. So then once it's open, you want to press Control V and then press enter and wait a few seconds. Nothing happened, honestly, for me. I didn't know whether the process was done or not, but when I reopened Microsoft Store after like 30 seconds to a minute, I was able to re-download the Xbox app. It was no longer stuck on that downloading circle thing or pending, whatever. Like, it worked. So yeah, and then I just re-signed in to my account, and now I'm able to download games. I can even run a game, and it works perfectly fine. So yeah, I don't know what even caused this. Honestly, this is the first time I encountered it. But yeah, kind of sucks that this even happens, but hopefully this helped you. This post is for Windows 11, but I'm on Windows 10 and it worked. So this part anyway. So hopefully this helped. Let me know if you guys have any questions or suggestions. Just comment them down below. I'll try my best to help out. Like I said, it's different for everyone, so it's best to try out all options. Just because I said this one worked for me, it might not work for you, but these other things that people suggested may work for you instead. So it doesn't hurt to try. But if you're in a rush or whatever, too lazy to try everything, then I recommend just doing this one. See if that works. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped.